Welcome to our Moment Support video, which will take you through how to create moments for children. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to document moments, which can be photos or videos. On the dashboard, you can click Add a Moment. You can select to either add it from your camera on the device that you're using directly, or you can choose a photo or video that you have saved on the device. In this instance, I'll choose an image I have on my device. I can click on that. If I would like to add more, I can go through now and add more as well. And I can click on Next. I can now go through and add a caption if I'd like. I can make it private if I do not wish it to be visible. And I can also tag from this here. If I tag a child or multiple children, that moment will automatically be sent to the Kidsoft Parent Portal and accessible by the applicable guardians. If I'm finished with actioning the moments that I've uploaded, I can click Upload. You will now see on the dashboard for today the moments that I have uploaded. The moment indicated here with the icon with the number 2 tells me that children have been tagged. Those moments will now be live in the parent portal for the guardian. These moments have not been tagged. Another way I can add moments is by clicking on the quick action button here, and I can add a moment, and the same behavior applies. And I can also come up to the moments sidebar, and I can add a moment in here as well. Once I have my moments and I now would like to go and edit any of those moments that I haven't already, I can simply click on the edit button here. I can go through and again, I can add a caption or I can make it private, or I can now go and tag. If I would like to tag this moment to share with other guardians, I can do so. You can see I can multi-select or I can just select one child. If it's just that one child I'd like to tag, I can press save. Now, I don't have to tag children if I simply want to have the moment there stored to be able to use it for future use, be it against potentially a report or a learning documentation. I can simply leave it as untagged. Additionally, I can delete that moment if I no longer want to be able to select that. I can view any moments that I have had uploaded. I can go through here and I can use the backwards and the forward buttons. If I'd like to look at all moments within a date range or via tagging, I can go through here and I can choose my applicable date ranges, and that will show me all of the moments that I have stored, and I can go through and I can edit any of them that are applicable. That concludes our Creating Moments support video. Please click through to our next videos to explore more of the Moments features in further detail. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly customer success team. Thank you.